Hello everyone, this is Take. Today I'm making one of Osaka's true soul food, Doteyaki. Doteyaki is a hearty dish made with beef tendons. They're simmered slowly in white miso, mirin, and soy sauce. It's rich, sweet, and savory. Perfect with sake or beer. You can find it almost every izakaya in Osaka. An izakaya is a Japanese-style pub that serves many kinds of small dishes and drinks. It's a place where people gather after work to relax, talk, and enjoy good food together. In Osaka, Doteyaki is one of the most popular dishes on the menu. It's been loved by locals for over 100 years, truly a taste of the city's soul.
Oh, it's exciting.
Doteyaki is said to have started in the Taisho era. It even appears in Sakunosuke Oda's novel Meoto Zenzai, written in 1940 and set in the Taisho to early Showa period. In that story, a man loved the 2 sen Doteyaki sold at night stores. People called him Mr. Doteyaki. That shows how popular it was as a street food back then. Now, let's start cooking. First, boil the beef tendons for about 10 minutes. Then rinse them in warm water. Remove the extra fat by hand. Cut the beef tendon into bite-sized pieces. Thinly slice the ginger with the skin on, and roughly chop the green onion. Once that's done, it's time to simmer. Add 600 milliliters of water, add a piece of ginger with skin on, and some green onions. They help to remove the smells of the meat. Next, add the beef tendons cut into bite-sized pieces. Then the seasonings: 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 teaspoon dashi powder, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons white miso. Simmer slowly over low heat. After 1 hour, it still looks a bit watery. After 1.5 hours, it starts to thicken. When the miso turned creamy, it's done. Top it with chopped green onions and add shichimi. Wow! A togarashi if you like. This sweet and savory doteyaki goes perfect with sake. Whenever I visit Osaka, I always order it. It's simply to make at home, so please try it and enjoy the taste of Osaka. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, please subscribe.